In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move archived emails to your inbox in Gmail. If you find yourself wondering how to bring back those emails you've archived for a rainy day but now need at the forefront of your communications, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the steps and make sure your emails are just where you need them. To begin, you'll first want to log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, keep your eyes on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu listing several folders. Each one serves a different purpose, but today we're focusing on the one labeled All Mail. This folder acts as a master file, containing all your emails regardless of what labels they may have. It's like the attic of your Gmail account, storing every piece of correspondence until you decide you need it again. Now, if All Mail doesn't show up immediately, don't worry, you might just need to click on More to expand the menu and reveal some additional folders. Once you've entered the All Mail folder, you have a couple of options for finding the emails you want to unarchive. If you're the kind of person who remembers details, you can immediately use the search bar at the top of the screen. It's an incredibly powerful tool, allowing you to search by subject line, sender, or even specific keywords within the email. This can save you a significant amount of time by pinpointing exactly what you're looking for. But if that's not your style, or if you feel like taking a more leisurely approach, you can simply scroll through your emails until you find what you're after. It's important to remember that archived emails will not have the inbox label, which sets them apart from other messages still sitting in your main inbox. However, they remain safely stored within All Mail, just waiting to be brought back to your attention. Once you've found the email you're looking for, you'll see a small checkbox next to it. Check this box to select the email. If you've got multiple emails you want to move at once, you can select several checkboxes. This multi-select feature is efficient and can save you from repeating the same process over and over for each email. Now, with your emails selected, turn your attention to the icons at the top of the screen. You're looking for one that resembles a folder with a small arrow pointing upwards, the Move to Inbox button. Clicking on this returns your selected emails to your main inbox immediately. And there you have it. Your archived emails are now back in the spotlight, ready and waiting in your main inbox. This straightforward process gives you the flexibility to manage your communications effectively, ensuring that important messages are always within easy reach. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!